How to use Google Authenticator on desktop, PC or Mac. 2026 Full Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator on your desktop or laptop step by step. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand one thing. Google Authenticator is mainly designed for mobile devices, not desktop. But don't worry, there are ways to use it on your PC or Mac. Method 1. Use Google Authenticator with Sync, official way. Open Google Authenticator on your phone. Make sure you are signed into your Google account and Sync is enabled. Now on your desktop, go to your Google account security settings. When logging in, you can still use the codes generated on your phone to sign in on your PC. Method 2. Use Chrome extension, desktop alternative. On your PC, open the Google Chrome browser. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Authenticator extensions. Install a trusted extension like Authenticator, 2FA Authenticator. Now scan the QR code or enter the setup key to generate codes directly on your desktop. Method 3. Use Android emulator, advanced method. Download an Android emulator like BlueStacks. Install Google Authenticator inside it. Set up your accounts the same way as on a phone. Now you can generate codes directly on your PC. Step 4. Link your accounts. Whenever your website asks for 2FA, scan the QR code or enter the manual key. Then your Authenticator, phone or desktop, will generate a 6-digit code. Warning sign # important security tip. Always keep backup codes saved somewhere safe. If you lose access to your Authenticator, you could lose access to your accounts. Bonus tip. Using your phone is still the most secure and recommended method, but desktop options are useful for convenience. And that's it. Now you know how to use Google Authenticator on PC or Mac. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rocket.